What if I told you the most expensive part of a VMware audit isn't the settlement? It's how you respond in the first 30 days. That first month sets the tone for everything that follows. Most companies panic, overshare data, or let Broadcom's auditors dictate the pace. That's how small compliance gaps turn into million-dollar findings. Here's how to stay in control from day one. Step 1. Acknowledge the audit. Don't cooperate blindly. Respond formally and request all details in writing, scope, time frame, and data requested. Never send internal reports or screenshots until your legal or advisory team has reviewed them. Step 2. Assemble your audit response team. Bring together IT, procurement, and legal. Assign one spokesperson. No side conversations with auditors. Everything goes through a single channel. Step 3. Perform your own internal audit first. Collect your entitlement records and compare them to usage data before Broadcom sees anything. That's how you find issues on your terms, not theirs. Step 4. Control the narrative. Push back on scope creep, ask for clarification on vague terms, and make Broadcom prove every claim. Here's your tip. Every day you stay organized and silent buys you leverage. Auditors rely on panic. Preparation beats panic every time. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises build audit response playbooks, including ready-to-use letter templates, negotiation scripts, and defense strategies that protect your data and your budget. If you've just received a VMware audit notice, don't reply yet. Contact us first. We'll help you write the right response and take control of your audit from day one.